What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be looking at a trade that we took today on GJ that was called out in the premium GJ signals channel, and also we're going to be looking at a gold trade from the 11th that was called out in the gold premium signals channel that I wasn't able to make a video about yet, as I was busy, but we're just going to go over that real quick. So you can see here, this is gold. And then we have GJ here today, premium channels. If you guys are interested in joining those, the link will be in the description down below. There's also the link for the free Telegram, which you can access down below in the description as well. So yeah, before we get into it, the current record is now, where are we? Where are we? Somewhere here, should be in here. So we're now at 20. Let me just copy that and paste that. So our current record is now 23 wins, 4 losses, and 7 break-even trades since the start of June. So that's last month. In the Telegram channels, and that's for both gold and GJ, right? And you get access to both of those. Right here, boom, boom, boom. Right, you get access to gold and GJ premium channels for $25 a week. Sorry, a month, not a week. Jesus Christ, 25 a month. So yeah, we'll go over the gold trade first because that happened that happened earlier in the week on the 11th of July right here, which was Tuesday, right? So we had this setup that I posted here. As you can see, well, you can't see it, but behind my camera it says gold xauusd 1 hour chart, and I said gold buy stops, and we can see entry, stop loss, take profit 2, and then you can see gold triggered. And then boom, here we see take profit 1 hit. Take profit 1 hit, move stops to break even and took some profits. And then you see, here we see 4:39 p.m., right? Take profit 1 hit. Here you see 4:40 p.m. 1 minute later, take profit 2 hit for 75 pips. So we hit 35 pip take profit right here, and then literally 70 pip take profit. I think it was like 30 seconds later, right? And then you can see take profit 2, straight to take profit 2, right? And so if we go to the community chat, you can see people shared their profits on the 11th. So right here, Tony, right, shared his profits, $75. Here you can see Kwesi, $841. He was up $670 for the day after, I don't know what he did here. I think maybe he closed some, he started to manage risk as price went into a little bit of drawdown, but that's okay. He can do whatever he pleases, but he caught the overall trade and total profit was 670. This was not my trade. This was we didn't trade on July the 11th because of USD inflation news, but I just asked my members if they took any trades. This guy said he took a UJ sell and caught 10 pips. And then we see here July 13th. This was a trade that I called out in the GJ signals, but then I told my members to delete buy stops, because we had GDP news for the pound, and I wasn't comfortable being in that trade. But he said that he got slipped, and so we just held, which is completely up to him. I stand by that. This setup was, I think I say it here, it was a solid setup and it worked out perfectly. I just didn't feel comfortable with news, right? So he decided to take the trade, and here you can see he made $93, and that was the trade right there. We can see a little bit of drawdown. And then this is today, right? So posting their profit. So that was the where are we? So that was the gold trade, right? And as you can see here, July the 11th, 12th, which I just mentioned. No trades today, tonight, as there's high impact inflation news on USD, right? So that was that. No gold trades today, not liking current price action. And then again, same today, no gold trades today. I just, we have this level in the market that price is currently rejecting, of course, on gold. But I'm just not too, I want to see price make a move, first of all, before I jump in. So potentially, we could be looking at gold here for sales. But I either wanted to see gold start to make its move up to break this level or down. But as you can see, all the candles in this zone, there's no direction, no momentum, no volume. So we'll wait and see what happens here on gold to see if we can come down down into here, potentially down into this level right here, right? Which you can see price support, resistance, retest. So we could potentially be looking at that on gold. And then today, this was today's trade called out in the GJ channel right here. Here we can see GJ buys, entry, stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 2. Here you see the picture chart. That was before it happened. Here was my entry. Here you can see trade triggered, boom. And then you can see here, trade triggered at 354. And literally 1 hour later, pretty much, price hit take profit 1 for 35 pips. And here I said take profit 1 hit, move stops to break even and take some profits, right? So now price came up. It came within about 7 pips from 7-8 pips from take profit 2 for a total of 70 pips here on GJ. But price, our stops are now at break even, right? So if this comes down to our entry, we'll get triggered out. But we took 80%, or I took personally 80% of profits here and letting the rest run. So we'll see what happens here on GJ, see if this continues bullish to hit our take profit 2 level. And that is just this kind of general level up here with the markets playing around. And as you can see, take profit 1 was in this general area here where the market is playing around too. So basically what I saw for this trade, right, we can see that price made a support down here, right? So price made this low in the market, boom. We can see it came up, big rejection wick down, right? And then this candle closed bullish. So it's grabbed a lot of liquidity, a lot of volume down here and started to drive up, closed very strong bullish. I don't trade these kind of patterns, but you can still identify them in the market, right? So this is obviously a head and shoulders. So left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right? And then we have the neckline up here. So what happens? Price breaks, retests it, rejection, bullish candle, bearish candle, and then bullish candle, right? So this is also a candle pattern I like. I call it the double engulfing. So we can see here we have a bearish candle, and then this bullish candle engulfs it. And then we have a bearish candle, and then this candle engulfs it. This is the bullish, double bullish engulfing candle. This is a nice candle pattern. I wonder if I could show you. I have lots of here. I have lots. So you can see here double engulfing. You see that? Right. Here you will see double engulfing candle. This is a candle pattern I like a lot. And you can see here all of the price action candles, all of the price action patterns that I like to take. Extended run, momentum, double engulfing, 1, 2, 3 engulfing, 15-minute closure above or below, 1, 2 engulfing, or 3-bar pullback, right? So these will all be in the course coming up, all of these price action patterns, right, for you guys to look at. And yeah, I think, yeah, double engulfing, nothing on the 15. Double engulfing for the 30. We can take a look at some more right here. You can see double engulfing, right? Boom, 1, 2. Price drove up. Double bearish engulfing, 1, 2. Price drove down. Double engulfing, 1, 2. Price drove up 50 pips, 60 pips, right? 1, 2. Price drove up, 100 plus pips. 1, 2, price drove down 40 pips. So you can see these 1, 2, right? Price drove up 85 pips. So you can see these candle patterns. There is some free game for you right there, and there's also something you can do. You can go to indicators and you can do engulfing candle detector right here by Dave ATT, and this will show you engulfing candles. So you can see here on the 1 hour, you can see how these candles are. If I change this to yellow, right, you can see double engulfing pattern right here, right? 1 engulfing, 2 engulfing. So you can use that if you want, but I've used these patterns for a long time, so I can tell without needing this now when there's an engulfing candle, right? But you guys could use that if you want to. So this was today's trade, right? So we had the support formed, we had a head and shoulders, we had the retest of the neckline, rejection, right? Strong rejection wicks, a double engulfing, 1-2 engulfing play, and then we entered our buys up here. So that was today's trade on GJ. We'll see if this continues to take profit too. But yeah, members very happy posting their profits. You know, here's another member, $40. Tony posted his profits, right? Beautiful trade. Look at those bullish candles. Boom, 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 pushing up. $64. This was his week. These losing trades weren't from me, as you can see right here. The losses were his trades, not my signals. So those losses were from his trading. His wins were this one, this $93 win, this 64 win, and this 75 win here. These are the trades I called this week. So yeah, that's the some of the members. That's not all of them, of course. Not everyone's joined this community chat yet. But yeah, everyone is very happy. So that's that. If you guys, like I said, if you guys are interested in the free Telegram or the paid Telegram, the links will be down below. You can go check them out. You can go into the free Telegram and scroll up, and you can have a look at all the analysis and trades I've posted in there in the past. You can have a look, whatever you want to, in the free Telegram called My Trading Journal by Cody Fielding. So yeah, that is that. Thank you guys for watching. As you can see, you get some updates in the free Telegram right here. So yeah, and also, like I mentioned previously, I'm currently working on my course right here. So that is in the works too. But yeah, for now, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. I appreciate everyone who takes time to watch my videos on YouTube. I'm really like eager to grow my YouTube channel. I'm trying to think of different ideas I can do rather than just sit in front of a screen like this and talk to you guys. I want to make it more interactive. I want to make it more fun. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments. I'll definitely take a look at them, of what you guys think would be better content, more interesting content, more interactive content, so yeah, let me know in the comments, and I'll have a read through those and see what you guys say. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video.